Okay, so here is the email that I've been selected to download the beta for the new Procreate 5.2 beta. So I'm just going to download that now, and I'll check it out more tomorrow, but I'm going to see what this is all about. I actually had to install Gmail on my iPad. I usually don't use, I really don't use Gmail on my iPad. Test flight, I'm not sure what this is. Beta testing. Okay, so test flight is just a beta thing. So first and foremost, I'm just going to back up some of my work here. So I'm just going to, I think I'm going to just save it to my computer. I think that'll be the safest bet. Download test flight. Get. I've never used this before, so I have no idea. Double click to install. Okay. All right. Okay, so that looks good. This can be configured in settings. I guess I'll allow it for now. Okay, continue. Agree to all the stuff. No apps available to test yet. There we go. Accept, install. It's my first time ever doing like a beta of anything. You know, they have discussion boards and things like that. But I'm excited about it. Okay, so open. Alright, what to test? Welcome to Procreate 5.2 beta. 3D painting. Paint gorgeously detailed 3D models for game assets. Industrial designs are fun. Paint directly on OBJ and USD models with all your favorite brushes, quick shape, image filters, and more. Lighting Studio. Finish your 3D model with beautiful lighting. Oh, that's cool. Use up to 4 customizable full color light sources. Okay, so lighting, view and AR. Bring your 3D paintings into real world using AR. Perfect for client presentations. Oh no. I tapped it. That's cool. Interesting. So yeah, all my work is gone. Good to know. I'm really glad that I saved some of that other stuff because that would not have been good. So another quick thing I wanted to tell you, this is the Procreate beta, but it didn't delete all of my things. I have my regular Procreate here, and I have my Procreate beta here. So in my regular Procreate, all my work is still here, and then I have the beta with the things that I imported back. So I'm still glad that I sent everything to my computer just in case, but luckily it did not erase all of my work. This is just a brand new second version of Procreate beta, and the icon is a little bit different. So just wanted to point that out.